In recent years, the Tanzanian city of Dodoma has been undergoing a profound transformation, fueled by an array of ambitious infrastructure development projects. These projects are not merely altering the physical landscape of the city, they are also ushering in the new era of economic growth, improved quality of life, and enhanced connectivity for the city's residents. Dodoma, the capital city of Tanzania, has long held a special place in the nation's history and governance. However, it was the government's decision in 1974 to shift the capital from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma that set the stage for the city's evolving significance. The relocation was intended to foster equitable development by decentralizing administrative functions away from Dar es Salaam, which remains the largest commercial hub. The decision aimed to spread economic opportunities and development throughout the country. The realization of Dodoma's potential as the political and administrative capital prompted a renewed focus on infrastructure development. The government recognized the city needed a robust infrastructure to support this evolving role. This recognition laid the foundation for a series of transformative projects that are now reshaping Dodoma. And in this video, we will see 4 major projects in Dodoma in 2025. The first project is Dodoma Outer Ring Road. This is the major infrastructure project in Tanzania aimed at improving logistics and transformation around Dodoma, the country's capital city. The project involves the construction of 110.2 kilometers dual carriageway to bitumen standard, enhancing connectivity and easing traffic congestion. The project provides vital infrastructure necessary for a more efficient development of the fast-growing Dodoma metropolitan region. Furthermore, it will also greatly boost regional integration of Tanzania and its neighbors, given the project site lies at the crossroad of 2 major continental road corridors. The Central Corridor, which connects the port city of Dar es Salaam to Tanzanian interior, and the Trans-African Highway TAH4. The project will also contribute to easier and faster transportation of tourists and agriculture produce within and outside Dodoma city. The immediate beneficiary of this project includes the residents of Dodoma City, its suburbs, and surrounding rural areas, with a population of approximately 2.4 million people, of which about 0.8 million people live in the city. This project will benefit road users for local, regional, and international transport, including farmers traveling to and through Dodoma City through the reduction of traffic jams. The other beneficiaries are industrialists, traders, and transporters, whose operating and logistic costs will be significantly reduced due to construction of the main outer ring road and rehabilitation of feeder roads. The second project in Dodoma is Dodoma New Stadium. Tanzanian government signed an agreement with Limonta Spa, an Italian company, to build the stadium in Zuguni, Dodoma. The stadium will have seating capacity of 32,000 and it is part of Tanzania's preparation for hosting AFCON 2027. The construction cost of Dodoma Stadium is 352 billion Tanzanian shillings. The stadium is expected to be finished before the start of African Cup of Nations 2027, where it will be hosted in East Africa in countries like Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. The third project in Dodoma City is Msalato International Airport. This project involves the construction of a brand new international airport with a passenger terminal, a runway, air navigation aids, and related operational services, especially fuel distribution company, water supply system, electrical distribution stations, and firefighting equipment. By enhancing transport connectivity from the centrally located Dodoma, this airport is set to unleash gains from economic integration of the country with its regional neighbors and beyond. The sector goal of the Msalato International Airport construction project is to contribute to unlock and distribute economic growth in Tanzania, arising from improved air transport connectivity internally and internationally. The major beneficiaries of the project are Tanzania Airport Authority, a public establishment in charge of airports, and Tanzania Civil Aviation Authority, TCAA, in charge of air navigation service provision, who will benefit from increased aeronauticals, planes and passenger fees, and commercial revenues as operators of newly built facilities. Also, airlines and users of the airport who will benefit from improved level of comfort, safety, and security on both airside and landside due to proposed high standard of modern facilities. Other beneficiaries are commercial and service companies for which new opportunities will be provided within the airport. The tourism industry and handcraft sector who will benefit from increased number of tourists and hence tourism activities. Also, the local and national population who will be the primary beneficiaries of the jobs created, notably those in the tourism, handcraft sector, retail business and maintenance of public places, among others. The fourth project is Magufuli City. 17 kilometers from Dodoma city center lies a modern development that is said to redefine the administrative landscape of Tanzania. This is carefully designed government city which is tucked away in Huma Ward, covers more than 617 hectares. Recent updates note that the project is partially completed with several buildings in operation as construction progresses. The city is meant to act as a landmark symbol of Tanzania's growth and modernization. Named after the former president, the late John Pombe Magufuli, the city is more than just an urban development. It is a strategic move that seeks to streamline government services and operations. The implementation of Magufuli City is one that is taking shape in a positive and insightful way. The structures constructed in the city are already becoming operational and moving forward, a signal of change. Furthermore, it holds the promise of a modern administrative capital that will ensure cohesion and effectiveness. On the verge of fulfillment, it is expected to be a revolutionary step towards improving Tanzania's administrative means. Conversely, this project lays the groundwork for other projects in the future. So there you have it, 4 biggest projects in the capital city of Tanzania, Dodoma. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, share and subscribe to The Boss TV. Thank you for watching and see you next time, my friend. Until then, as always, bye bye.